At Professional Advantage, we help business leaders improve performance and profitability by making better people decisions. For most companies, there is a natural two-sided objective: get the right people hired and simply pass on the wrong people. Research has shown that in office professionals, an A-level player is 32% higher in performance and value over a B-level player. And for an A-level executive, the performance and value is 48% higher than a B-level executive. While at the same time, the cost of adding someone who just doesn't quite work out is 1.5 to 2 times their annual salary. With most companies only having at most 1 out of 4 professionals to be considered an A-level player, and the cost of a bad hire being so high, it is even more important to make the right choice in the hiring process. Professional Advantage uses the most comprehensive assessment tools to evaluate your current A-level players and build a solid profile that each new hire should match. We look for a deep understanding of each individual's behaviors. We understand their particular interest. And we round out the evaluation by gauging their unique thinking style or learning index. From there, we have a baseline by which to measure each new candidate. In the last few years, our clients have more than doubled their odds of hiring A-level players. For them, that has meant lower turnover, reduced cost, higher performance, and greater profits. Our job is to help you fit the right people. To learn more about how this can work for you, give us a call or find us on the web. We look forward to working with you. Professional Advantage, HR Management Solutions.